Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the DMA moving average of oscillators. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the DMA moving average of oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 325 indicators, and out of those 325 indicators, 133 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 133 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the DMA moving average of oscillator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. If you want more information on exactly how this works, then you can check out the indicator page linked down below in the description. But basically, we have a moving average of an oscillator. I believe it is the MACD, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember right. And so basically what we are looking for is when the bars drop down below the 0 line and they go red, that is going to be a signal to go short. When they pop up above the 0 line and they are green, that is going to be a signal to go long. Not a whole lot to it, very similar to a lot of the indicators that we have tested as far as what we are looking for a signal. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing here. So we pick up our first signal right there. That's going to be a winning signal, winning trade right there. So far, so good. Then we pick up a long signal right here on this side. And again, that one gets us to take profit. Well, let's just double check this tail right there. Yep, we're good. Plenty of room there. Just wanted to be sure. So we get a long signal there, and that one also gets us to take profit. Looks like we pick up a short signal right here for just a moment. This one, not sure if it got us to take profit or not. It's going to be close. Yep, looks like it does. It actually did a switch from 1 week to another. When it did, it gapped down and would have hit our take profit on that gap down there. So got pretty lucky there. See, we pick up a long signal right here. This is going to be our first losing signal. That one's definitely not going to get us to take profit. Then we pick up a short right there on that one, and on this big long candle right there, most definitely got us to take profit as well. So far, not too bad. Let's continue on with it here. Pick up a long right there. Let's just go ahead and double check. I'm fairly confident we got to take profit. Yep, definitely did. And over here on this side, we pick up a short, and again, we get to take profit. So we are doing rather well at this point. Pick up a long over here. This one looks close, but I think we may have been able to barely squeeze out take profit. Let's see. Ooh, man, that is really close, but unfortunately, we did miss it by about 10 pips. Let's see, over here on this side, pick up a short right as soon as we get this heavy reversal in the market. So that one is not going to get us to take profit. But then we did pick up a long right there on that one, and do believe we did get to take profit. Yep, we sure did. Let's continue on with it here. Right there, we pick up a short. That one also getting us to take profit. So looks like when we hit some consolidation though, like right in this area, that seems to be the weak point where we start picking up a few losing trades. Let's see, so we're there, and then we picked up this short right here. This one would have gotten us to take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and cut out a little bit of the video here, get us closer to the end of the year, so that way this video doesn't get too long. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Looks like we are right here. Pick up a short signal on that one. That one gets us to take profit, and that does put us right at the end of the year. It doesn't look like we get another signal. All right, before we tally these up, now would be a good time to say that if you're interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link down below to our Patreon. Really super cheap to sign up. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. In our Patreon only channel on our Discord server, we're posting a lot of good advanced information in there. We also have a rather lengthy list of a lot of the winning indicators for the MT platforms that our admin Jay put together. So if you use the MT platforms quite often, then that would be rather decent thing to get your hands on. Our admins and some of the regular members are posting regular trade analysis almost on a daily basis. They're posting charts with markups, support and resistance, and different channels. All kinds of really good information in there will really help you to spot those ideal conditions you should be looking for to dial in a trading strategy, or to just train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions. Or if you're even looking to just jump on some trades, see what you can do with them, then that is also possible as well. They're growing small accounts relatively quickly, posting some of their earnings and stuff like that from trades. Really super helpful stuff. Even if you are a experienced trader just looking for an environment of like-minded people to be involved with, again, it is a great place. A lot of positive information, positive energy, and place to be. So like I said, really great. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's crunch these in here. Looks like we are about right there. Let's go ahead and add these up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 winning trades. That is really decent. That is not bad at all. This indicator did a really decent job getting in trends at a really decent time. There were moments where it did catch a little bit of chop, kind of get itself faked out, but other than that, a pretty solid indicator altogether. So yeah, this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.